Hi, just want to drop a little video in for those people who are interested, curious about, or enthusiastic about the Tantra and Beyond workshop happening this Sunday, the 14th of September at Enteleki in Woonona from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. My name is Steve Sweeney, and I'm just dropping this in to give you a bit of a flavour of who I am, how I work, and also what is in store for you for this mini workshop on Sunday. So for the first 2 hours, we're going to cover what I call the continuum of Tantra, explaining and outlining my interpretation of the tension that we have in the Tantra community between traditional Tantra and Neo-Tantra, where they both originate, how they play out with each other, the benefits of each other. And more importantly, where do you fit on this continuum, and how is each going to serve you for what you want? We'll also be covering a really useful and practical approach to the masculine and feminine, the dance of the masculine and feminine within each of us, how we can utilize this for self-awareness, personal growth, and in healing how we operate in the world. The second half is going to be more around the beyond of Tantra. So how do we, those of us who are interested, passionate about Tantra, the practices of Tantra, in raising our energy, raising our consciousness, in evolving, how do we use the practices and the energy that we're cultivating, that we're releasing, that we're building, that we're circulating and transmuting? How do we use these practices and this energy to create the life that we want? After all, most of us are doing these things to get what we want in life, be it better relationships, better sex, more pleasure, more connection with myself, more connection with others, more authentic connection, more loving connection with others. What is it that you're wanting, and how can we utilize the practices and the energies that we're generating and cultivating and transmuting in Tantra? How do we use these to manifest what we want in this life that we have on this planet at this time? So I'm Steve Sweeney. That's a little bit about what's happening on Sunday. Hope to see you there. Book your place. There's only a limited number of places available. So book in now, and I'll see you on Sunday. Thank you.